Imagine this. You're sitting at home watching Netflix. Your phone buzzes. You check the notification expecting another promotional message. Instead, it says, "You've received a dividend payment." You didn't work extra hours. You didn't sell anything. You didn't even leave your couch. You got paid simply because you own part of a company. Sounds crazy? Well, that's exactly how millions of investors build passive income through dividend investing. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why some people actually get excited when the stock market drops instead of panicking. But first, let's talk about the biggest problem. Most people grow up believing there's only one way to make money. Study hard, get a job, work 9 to 5, wait for your salary, and if you stop working, the income stops too. That's why so many people feel trapped. They've built active income, but never passive income. Dividend investing offers a different path. It gives your money a chance to start working for you instead of the other way around. So, what exactly is a dividend? Let's make this ridiculously simple. Imagine you and 5 friends open a small pizza shop. At the end of the year, after paying all the expenses, the business makes a profit. Now you have 2 choices. You can use all the money to expand the business, or you can share part of the profits with the owners. That's exactly what many companies do. When companies earn profits, they sometimes distribute a portion of those profits to shareholders. That payment is called a dividend. So every time a dividend lands in your account, it's like receiving your share of the company's success. Lesson number 1. Your money starts working for you. Think about this. Every rupee you earn today probably required your time. You worked for it. But what if your money could start earning money by itself? That's the biggest attraction of dividend investing. Instead of depending only on your job, your investments begin generating cash too. It's like hiring tiny employees. They work 24 hours a day. They never ask for weekends. They never ask for vacations. The more quality assets you own, the harder your money works. Now here's where beginners underestimate investing. The snowball effect. Let's say you receive your very first dividend payment. You could spend it on coffee, or you could reinvest it to buy more shares. Those new shares earn more dividends, which buy more shares, which generate even more dividends, and the cycle keeps repeating. It's like rolling a tiny snowball down a hill. At first, it barely grows, but over time, it becomes massive simply because you kept it rolling. That's the magic of compounding. But here's a mistake almost every beginner makes. They see one stock paying 12%, another paying 3%, and they immediately think, 12 is bigger than 3, easy choice. Not so fast. Sometimes a sky-high dividend is actually a warning sign. The company could be struggling. Its stock price may have fallen sharply. Experienced investors don't chase the biggest payout. They look for strong businesses that can keep paying and growing those dividends for years. Remember this, a reliable dividend beats an unrealistic one. Now, let's talk about something that surprises most people. You don't need lakhs of rupees to get started. Every successful investor started somewhere. Imagine investing a small amount every month, month after month, year after year. Each investment buys more shares. Those shares pay more dividends. Those dividends buy even more shares. Slowly, what started as a small habit becomes a meaningful source of passive income. Consistency often beats intensity. And finally, think like an owner, not a trader. Most people buy a stock and stare at the price every day, up 2%, down 3%, and they panic. Dividend investors think differently. They ask, is this company still making money? Are customers still buying its products? Can it continue rewarding shareholders over the long term? Instead of acting like gamblers, they think like business owners. And that's exactly how many long-term fortunes are built. Dividend investing isn't about getting rich next month. It's about creating a future where your investments help pay for your lifestyle. One dividend payment won't change your life, but hundreds of dividend payments, reinvested over many years, absolutely can. The earlier you start, the more time compounding has to work its magic, because one day, your phone might buzz with another dividend notification, and you'll realize your money has been working while you were busy living your life. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more investing content, and let me know in the comments if you received your very first dividend today. Would you spend it or reinvest it?